I am one of Albany County's Cornell Cooperative Extension Master Gardeners, which means that I have gone through a course of 12 weeks to learn about gardening, and as a volunteer, I help with school programs in gardening or farmers markets and try to carry out the focus of garden-based learning for Cornell Cooperative Extension. So what I tried to do is develop programs for children that would get them engaged in gardening, hands-on, and also expand that hands-on gardening experience with linking it to something they read, or something they could draw, or something they could talk about.
Vivian, do you want a strawberry? I knew that.
They love to try new vegetables and foods that are good for them if they know more about them before they try them.
Do you want a strawberry?
Just books about honeybees or getting seed packets and letting them look at a seed packet, or matching leaves. And you don't have to go out and buy all of these things. You can go to your library and find things as well, or create your own. And then again, I go back to Cornell and the website. They have those resources where you can get ideas that won't make you go to the store to buy a book or a game, but will give you ideas that you can do in your home. And it's simply bingo with cards about gardening responsibilities and gardening in different plants. Caregivers can create their own bingo games just using seed packets and a grid, so they can have the students draw a pumpkin or draw what seed it is. Match a Leaf is called a tree memory game, and it is best used with older children and adults as you learn the different trees and what their leaves look like. So it's a matching game. There's a wonderful activity that I've used before that, again, we're using resources. Scarlet runner beans are very good to start in a soda can, a soda bottle that you put soil in, and you can soak these runner beans overnight, put maybe 3 or 4 runner beans in the soil, and in less than a week you're going to have a sprout starting, and they'll just grow like Jack and the Beanstalk.
All right.
Hard.
You did it very well. Do you want to plant this one?
Yeah.
I think it's very important to start at the youngest possible age to introduce the children to the fact that they are responsible. Not only responsible for themselves, but responsible for the earth.
Look at the roots.
And to get comfortable with trying something out. Gardeners are optimists, and we don't always have a good crop. The radishes don't always come up the way we hope to.
Take it off. No, don't take it off. It's not ready yet. It has to grow and get big like the ones we had for breakfast. See, look.
I wouldn't let your attitude that your green thumb is not as green as it should be to stop you from trying gardening. I believe a garden is a resource in and of itself.
And you're going to count to 3.
It's a resource, yes, you can grow vegetables there and grow food.
Go ahead.
Yes, you can grow beautiful flowers, so you have beautiful flowers on your table, but it's also a place to go to look at other parts of nature. It's a place to go to be observant.
A bug.
Yeah, that's good. Bugs are good.
Sometimes when we do observation activities with children in gardens, they have a journal, a simple notebook that they can take and they can write down what they see. Or if the child is not writing yet, let them draw what they see.